Namaste friends, welcome to Learn Vijay Empowered by Magic Needles. So this day I am here with a pattern titled Little Gem, a simple floral motif. It is worked a little differently and it is classified under the intermediate level. So without wasting much time friends, let us go into the video. Chain 5. Slip stitch to the first chain and join to form a ring. Then to begin the first round, chain 4, consider as first treble and place 2 trebles in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 3, 1 treble in the ring, and 2 trebles in the bottom base of the treble that we have done, stem of the treble here. Here we have to work the 2 trebles. Sorry, I need to yarn over twice, go into the base of the treble, work 2 trebles over there. Again chain 3, and we need to have 6 such sets in the ring. Complete 4 more and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We come to the end of the round here. Chain 3, slip stitch to the top of the chain 4 that we did. Now chain 3 and work 2 trebles together in the next 2 trebles. So this counts as 3 trebles together. Chain 6, work 3 trebles together over the next 3 trebles. Sorry, there's a mistake here. Incomplete. Yarn over twice. Two times. Yarn over twice. A third time. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Yeah. 3 trebles together. Chain 6. Again 3 trebles together over the next. Repeat this for the rest of the trebles and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We have come to the last part of this round. Chain 6, slip stitch to the first 3 trebles together and fasten off. Cut the yarn and fasten off. I shall fasten off and get back with the color B. With color B, I have slip stitch and I am going to make a standing single crochet encompassing both the chain 3 and chain 5. Chain 3 of the previous round and this. Together we need to make a standing single crochet, chain 5, a double crochet on the cluster, chain 5, single crochet in chain 3 over the chain 6. Chain 5, continue the stitch pattern all around, and a double crochet on top of the cluster. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of the round. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed all the stitches. Now I'm going to slip stitch, join and fasten off in the first single crochet that we did here, and get back with the other color. Join the third color with a standing single crochet in one of the single crochets that we double crochets that we did in the last round. And then chain 5, single crochet in the next single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next double crochet, 3 single crochets here, so then chain 5, single crochet in single crochet, continue this, place 3 single crochets on top of the double crochets and single crochet on the single crochet, continue the round and complete it. In between you have chain 5 spaces in between the stitches. Complete. When you come back here, you need to place 2 single crochets, slip stitch, join and bind off. So I shall come, and when I complete I shall get back to you. I have completed the round, place the last 2 single crochets and slip stitched and fasten it off, and here we have completed our little gem. This is titled as little gem, okay, as I told you in the beginning of the video. Hope you like this little gem, friends. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel if you are the first time viewer here, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. You will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.